What's going on, fam? I'm here to kind of go over a quick review about the power of the 50 moving average. So let's go ahead and get into it. I had initially looked at this U.S. oil trade a while back. I had, let me go on the daily time frame. I was looking at structure, specifically the support zone here at this blue line, and noticing how every time the market came there, it would typically bounce back. I also was looking at current market to see, if we truly had a change in direction and of this downtrend right here. As you can see, market had broke out at this trend line here, and when it came back into the to retest the trend line, you did get an opportunity to buy at this level right here, which I had missed. So I was like, well, I wonder if I'll have another opportunity, right? And so I have been following this market. I had even went to the lower time frame where I was able to see structure on a smaller scale. So I'm just going to break down with you why I had initially had this zone marked up to take the buy. And as you can see, if you know the red box, blue box strategy, I typically trade it in reverse. So here I saw a red box. And so for me, my idea was to buy once this market got right here. I noticed that the market was underneath this 50 moving average on the 1 hour, 2 hour time frame, the lower time frame. Right now I'm on the 2 hour. Let me just go to the 1 hour so I can kind of show you what I was looking at. So I noticed market had been underneath this 50 moving average here, and clear this off real quick. And so I was like, okay, it's starting to mellow out. As you can see, we did have some movement above the 50 moving average at this point where it crossed over. We also had another red box to confirm that the market is looking to buy as well. So that was like another confirmation. But for me, the reason why I didn't take this trade, because I was like, well, we're technically still in consolidation, and if I'm going for a long-term trade, especially I need to be on a higher time frame. Like I could use the lower time frame to confirm, but the higher time frame is what I'm looking for more stronger confirmation. Considering that we're coming off a strong sale right here with this big rally. I know the market will eventually come back to fill this gap, so I can actually look to place my target zone right here. So at some point, the market will be back there, right? But for now, I noticed that on the 4 hour time frame, I did not take this trade on the lower time frame at all because I was looking to see if we can get a 4 hour across the 50 moving average. The market did not do that. As a matter of fact, it looks as if this market is going to continue down and take out this wick and maybe go to this blue line, which I had initially had marked up. So I'm going to just sit back and sit on my hands and wait and see. If you look back at oil, you'll notice on the 4 hour time frame when looking for a buy opportunity, coming off of a downtrend, you'll notice on the 4 hour when that market closes above that 50 moving average, it'll retest it and you'll have an opportunity to take a buy. So in this situation, let me show you. Okay, so some of the tools have changed a little bit. I was going to calculate the pips for you so you can see how many pips you could call from here to here. This is a pretty good move, and even then, if you didn't catch this move and you would have caught it back down here where it retested this red box. Let me go ahead and highlight it real quick. When you got here, and if you were to wait until it crossed over, you could have took this retest right here and definitely got this whole move up. So that's why I waited on oil, because I was looking for something like that to happen at current market. So didn't get it, so I'm not in the trade. Let me see this ruler. There we go. This is what I was looking for. So from here, the retest from here to here, that's about 357 pips. Okay, It would have took 10 days to get to this point. But like I said, if you're long-term trading, that will work. You definitely would have wanted to take profit here, because of this structure. It definitely filled the gap here a little bit. Um, and also, same thing with this one. If you would have caught the retest all the way up here, that's 757. Would have took about 5 days to get to this point. But like I said, when you're long-term trading, that's what you can expect. You definitely can catch some pips on the lower time frame for all of our day traders. But for this one, I was more looking for a long-term hold. So I'm going to see what the market presents us on oil in these next few weeks. I know it's the holidays coming up, so we'll see. Gas prices are down. So we'll see how things turn out. So until then, happy trading. Love you guys, and I'll see you until the next one.